Take a look. We were given this problem. Let's see how our students did.
Give it a 1.
Remember, you have a 0 in there. A times C is -4. B is 0. Here are two numbers.
I don't do the box method.
They do a different form of factoring. What do you call this method?
I don't know. I just divide it by whatever A is, and then once it gets that, the bottom one, the top one's the.
This one I'm happy with. Let's look at this one. Raise your hand if you did factoring. Raise your hand if you factored. Now, this student doesn't have their method of factoring, like an X in a box, which is fine. That's not really work. What I want to know is that you can get from here to there in your head by yourself. And they got the same answers. Okay? Now, this next student had the most efficient way. So this was factoring. The other student also had factoring. And we have this one. This is called the square root method. Did anyone do the square root method? When you have just an A and C value, if you move your C value to the right, divide by 4, take the square root. I like how the student has a plus or minus. The square root of 1/4 is the square root of 1 over square root of 4, which is 1/2. So it's sine of x equals plus or minus 1/2, and then they took the inverse and got your two answers. So either of those methods would give you the correct answer.